Everybody, we have a special project here. We have a 48 volt, 500 watt, 12 amp hour electric bicycle with pedal assist and fat tire. See that nice big hub motor there? Disc brakes. It's a very nice bike. Alright, so first off, I'm going to get it all unpacked with all of its foam and everything. And then we are going to take the battery out, get it on the charger. And all we gotta do is put the front wheel on, the handlebar on, and then we have to put the pedals on and prop it up, and we should be good to go. So let's begin with the assembly. Okay everybody, so it is now all unpacked. I have all of the other excess stuff over here. I found out that it actually did come with a toolkit. There was this extra bolt in the box that was just laying around in the box, so we're gonna have to figure out where that goes. We got some caps for the wheels. This cap, it's a little weird. I think that happened in packaging. It just goes on there. To figure that out. There's some stuff that's a little dinged up and bent. But other than that, it's in amazing condition looking. We have the pack of pedals over there to put on. The charger, we're actually going to have to wait till we finish assembling to charge it up. Just due to the fact that the battery, we're going to have to actually unbolt it. And I don't want to disassemble anything today, I just want to assemble. So this handlebar actually, it's kind of weird the way it works. You have to cross the wires when you put them on. And then it will just go on like so. And the wires cross each other. I thought it would go like that with the wires inside, but nope, it's crossed. You have to loosen this up. It actually has the tools in the toolkit for that. And then all you have to do is put on the brand new tire and put in the disc brakes and everything. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this handlebar on and get the tire on and the pedals on, and then hopefully we can get this sucker good. Everything basically comes pre-assembled in the packet, so you don't have to do any wiring or any of that. It's already all wired up and connected, so it's pretty basic, simple assembly. So we're gonna get right into that. This is an actual trick piece. I thought it just slipped over. It does not. This is a piece of PVC pipe. You take this top bolt off right here and untwist it, and this top cap will come off once I get this undone. And when that comes off, you just pick this PVC pipe off, and you have this tube right here, and that's what you slip your handlebar onto. Right. Alright everybody, so I now have the full handlebar installed with the LCD. As you can see, it's all nice and tightened up. I'm going to have to look at the manual clearly and find out how this handlebar or this headlight installs, because there's no actual bracket for it, and there isn't a bracket somewhere in the kit, so I'm going to begin searching through that. Next step is we are going to install the front tire and get that installed, or maybe go to the pedals first. I think I'm going to go to the pedals first while it's actually able to sit up like this. So yeah, once we get to the pedals, we're going to go to the tire, and then we're going to go to the seat, get it charged up, and go for a ride. Alright, let's get those pedals installed. Alright, the pedals are now installed, so now it's time to move on to the tire. I'm going to cut off all the tape and the bubble wrap, and we're going to put it on. Make sure you get this disc brake to this side where there's a caliper. You will have to tighten down this caliper as well, using your bigger hex tool. So let's go ahead and get right into the tire. Alright, so this wheel is now loosely tightened. So when you have your tire, you have these little discs right here, and they have those little nubs in the top. You want to make sure you get that top nub in that hole before you tighten this down. If not, then it will be loosely slinging around and that's what holds your tire into place and keeps this from slipping off the bottom. So you want that tightened down well, and now we're going to go ahead and tighten down the disc brake. Everybody, so now we're going to install the tire guard, and make sure that this metal piece goes on top of here, and that's what that loose bolt was inside of your box. And then these bits will go on these little screws down here, just like so. And after that, we're going to go for the seat and give it a ride. Alright, so I actually figured out how to get the battery out. It's just this back bracket that's bolted in. It's now sitting on the charger. When you get the key, you put the key in and you turn it this way, and it'll actually unlock this little pin right here. And then you put it back in the off position when it's charging. This way, turn it clockwise, it's turning on the bike. If you turn it counterclockwise, it's turning off. And if you keep going counterclockwise, that's how you take the battery out. Alright, so now we're going to finish installing that guard, install the seat, and we'll be good. Ready for a ride. Alright everybody, so the installation is completely finished. Everything is installed. I got the headlight figured out and everything. The one tool I had to actually go get that was not in this toolkit was a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm surprised I didn't include that, honestly. But anyways, this headlight right here, just to hold it in place, you need a Phillips head screwdriver right here. You need a Phillips head screwdriver for these screws right here and right here. And I need a Phillips head screwdriver to screw this in right here. So this bolt, I put the bolt on the back. This had to be one of the more difficult pieces of this. The rest of it was just plug and play. This piece, the bolt was actually loose in the box, and it's not the tightest thing. Like, this can still move around with some force, but that's completely tightened down. That's what holds this rail on. And another thing I had an issue with is this is slightly bent. Over here, if you look, you have so much room and excess, but then if you go over here, it's like snug in this tire. So I'm gonna have to bend it to where it's like this. I'm gonna have to actually do that my own. But other than that, everything else went great. I'm about to put those caps onto those tires, and then yeah, we need one more cap for back here, which is that bigger cap. Bigger caps go on the back, smaller caps go on the front. Just remember that, and you'll be good. The seat is actually pretty fancy with the way it works. I love these kind of seat holders where you can just twist this to tight and then push this down and it holds it in. It has this little gap to make it look cool. And then also underneath here, if you look, you have this blue lever. This lever, when you push up, the seat will pop forward, so then you have access to your battery area. So then you can pull and push your battery back in, which is right now charging over there. And then when you're done, just pop it back down, and it's on. And it's actually a very cushiony, nice seat. So that's all good. So when that battery finishes up, we're going to plug it in, show you everything and how it works, and then we're going to go for a nice ride. So yeah, let's cut to that. Alright, so like right before we go to the shots and everything, I wanted to just explain a little bit about this bike. So this bike is a fat tire electric bike. It has a 500 watt 48 volt hub motor. That is that battery over there is a 12 amp hour 48 volt battery. It has the headlights, the LCD display, it has horn and lights, disc brakes, shifter for your rear, so you can still have shifting. It has pedal assist and a nice kickstand and everything. These fat tires, these are probably one of the pricier points on this bike. Here's your throttle right here. So overall, you can pick one of these bikes up from like Amazon or something like that for around $1,300. It is a very expensive electric bike, but it is very nice. As you can see, it was pretty easy to assemble. It came in a very big box. So yeah, it's a very nice bike. So far I'd recommend. You can expect speeds around 25 miles per hour. We will go and test that out. We're also going to be taking this bike out as well to like get a side-by-side, see how they both perform. So yeah, let's go ahead and cut into the montage shots, and the ride around. Alright everybody, here's the ride. So, $1,300 electric bike. Horn, lights. Here's our digital display. So this is your pedal assist button. 1 being the least assisted, 9 being the most assisted. You just hit it and up and down. This is your go. So now we're gonna go for a nice little ride. So pedal assist, 1. Feels like a regular bike. Ooh, wait a minute. 1 is like no assist. 2 is like a decent amount of assist. Get up. Got a lot of power to it. Alright, switch pedal assist to 9. It definitely feels like there's a lot more. Punch it. This thing sounds good. go slower, you feel a lot more. I'm gonna get it off the toolkit. Well guys, that was my review on this electric bike. It's pretty fun. You'll definitely see it in more videos. Maybe we'll go for a full ride around somewhere and get a video on that. For now, that will be the unboxing, putting together, and ride around. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I have a motorized bike that's a lot of fun, and an ATV. There's many more videos on those to come soon, so go check those out. See y'all later.